Welcome back to my channel. It's Kay Figuracion, and today we will be doing an unboxing video. And meron tayong kasamang guest for today. So hulaan nyo kung sino. It's no other than my daughter, Keisha!
Hey guys!
Yan!
My face is so white.
Yeah. You say hi.
Hi guys! So I'll help mommy unbox this amazing product.
O sige, ikaw mag-introduce kung ano i-unbox natin.
So,
wait, so by the way guys, Keisha has her own YouTube channel. I hope you can subscribe and follow her. It's Keisha TV. Ayan, so follow and subscribe kayo sa kanya.
okay. So did I just hit 2,000 subscribers?
Yeah, she already has 2,000 subscribers. Mas marami pa sa akin. So yung subscribers mo yung mag-subscribe sa akin. Okay, so now we will be unboxing the BLK Fresh set. So, ayan, sobrang excited ko talaga na ma-receive tong BLK products na to. Pero, ayun nga lang, medyo natagalan tayo sa shipping. But it's okay because finally, it's here.
I was very excited because I saw the other influencer stories about it and it looks so nice.
Yeah, and it looks so nice. So, ayan na siya. Kunin mo na siya, baby.
It's heavy!
Look at that. It's so huge. Ayan. Open na natin. Let's unbox it now.
It's wrapped very carefully and packaged.
Gusto ko sanang gamitin ulit yung mga bubble wrap eh.
Whoa, whoa. There's styrofoam inside.
Remove it, baby. So, ayun siya. It's so cute.
It's so adorable. It's pink.
Ayan. So, ito yung cord niya. Ayan siya. Open mo, baby.
Does the refrigerator actually work?
Yes.
Really?
Wow. Ayan siya. So, it's color pink. And, meron siya here at the back. Ayan o. Parang merong off, tsaka on. Tapos, meron siyang pagpipilian, hot and cold. Ayan. AC, DC. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Kasi ito yung 12 volts to 20 volts. Yun ba yun? Yun yata. Ayan siya. Meron siyang parang, yan, ganyan. So, ito na. Open na natin what's inside this fridge.
Oopsies.
Wow! Wow! Ayan na ang ating BLK Fresh products. Super excited talaga ako dito sa mga products na to. Itong BLK Fresh. So again, ito yung ref. Meron siyang handle. And when you open it, merong parang ano dito. Lagayan ng something. Ayan. Dito. May compartment over here. Tapos, meron din siyang ganito. Na pwede mo siyang lagyan ng another compartment kung gusto mo. So, lalabas ko muna lahat ng laman niya and discuss natin yung products. Guys, super ganda niya. Oh, yung kulay pink. Parang ang cute-cute. Sobrang cute. Thank you. You baby. Wait, sorry. That. So nice. So, now we're gonna discuss kung ano yung mga kasamang products. First, merong sticker. Open the sticker, baby. So, ito yung stickers. Ayan siya. Ang cute.
Oh, it's so cute. It's so adorable.
Ayan, merong Feeling Peachy, Watermelon, Cocoa Crush, and Very Berry. So, itong collection na BLK Fresh, alam ko marami na kayo nakitang post na ganito. Meron siyang kasamang Watermelon. Ayan siya, yung collagen plus vitamin E makeup removing wipes. Ayan. And meron din kasamang facial mask. This one is the Watermelon Hydrating plus Brightening Glow.
Wow.
And this one is the Cocoa Crush Deep Moisture plus Collagen. Ito, na-try ko na itong gamitin kasi umorder ako sa Lazada ng dalawang ganito. And ginamit ko siya kanina and super hydrating niya talaga sa face. Ang ganda nung sheet niya, nung mask. Ang tawag doon, sheet mask niya kasi hindi siya yung parang papel.
It's so glossy.
Para siyang, what do you call that? Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag. It's an ultra-pure nanofiber biocellulose sheet that feels like second skin. And totoo, sobrang soft niya talaga gamitin sa face. And ang sarap gamitin. Ayan, so this one is something that I highly recommend from this line. And we also have this BLK Cosmetics Skin Hydrating Ultra Fine Mist. Ayan siya. Try natin.
The packaging is so cute. There's watermelons.
It's so cute. Look, it's cute. Ayan siya. Try mo.
Try
You try it on your face.
What is it?
Mist. Finger press pa. It's new. Is it nice?
It smells so good. Wow.
Asan yung butas? Ito ba yun? This one, oh, cute-cute niya. Oh. Tapos, maliit lang siya. Pwede siya sa bag. Sabi, this on-the-go skin hydrator soothes, hydrates, and refreshes skin with a gentle cocktail of a watermelon extracts and hyaluronic acid. So, maganda pag may hyaluronic acid yung mga makeup products natin. Sealing in moisture for a dewy and gleamy complexion. So, tingnan natin kung magiging glowy.
I have no idea what those mean, but I bet it's good.
Yeah, it's super. Oh, very refreshing.
It's so amazing.
Grabe. Now, let's move on to this one. This is the BLK Cosmetics Fresh Creamy All-Over Paint in the shade Feeling Peachy. Alam ko maraming nagsasabi na maganda daw tong shade na to. Parang it's the best shade among the other four. Meron ako ng Wondermelon. Bumili ako nun sa Lazada. Okay, so this is the Wondermelon. Ito, binili ko to separately from Lazada. And this one naman is Feeling Peachy. So, iswatch natin sila. Let's watch it. Sa'yo?
Or ikaw?
Sa'yo na lang.
I saw a live video of another blogger or influencer. She said her favorite was Feeling Peachy. Wow! So nice!
Blend mo na siya. And ito namang isa, this one is Wondermelon. So, i-compare natin yung colors na Feeling Peachy and Wondermelon. Super nice colors.
Feeling Peachy. This is the swatched one, and this is the one that's blended. And this one is Wondermelon. This is the swatch, and this is the one that's blended.
Super nice! Parang like ko si Feeling Peachy.
Yeah, because the Wondermelon, it's really pinky.
Yeah, it's pinky. Parang medyo may pagka-mauve ng konti yung shade niya. Pero itong this one, yung Feeling Peachy, parang feeling ko sobrang nakaka-fresh siya.
And it's like orangey coral-ish.
Yes. Try natin si Feeling Peachy. Sa cheek ko, lagay natin. Ayan. So, sometimes, pag inopen ko siyang ganyan, dito lang ako kumukuha. Ayan. Okay na yan. Oh, yung ganda.
So nice. Wow.
Lakas maka-fresh. Ayan o, parang wala lang. Fresh lang.
Mommy, what are the other 4 shades?
The other one is Very Berry and the other one is Cocoa Crush. Tama ka. Ayan siya. This one naman is the Lip and Cheek Tint in the shade Wondermelon. Swatch natin ulit sa kamay mo. Ayan. This is how it looks like.
I wish I never wore long sleeves.
Tapos, ayan din yung applicator niya. Gosh. Madali. Same. Sige, isa i-blend mo.
So, ito parang lip and cheek.
Yeah, it's a lip and cheek tint. This one, creamy all over paint. This one, tong creamy all over paint, you can use on your eyes, cheeks, and lips. This one naman, lip and cheek tint lang siya. Show them.
So this is the lip and cheek tint Wondermelon swatch, and this is the one blended. Yeah, I think the lip and cheek tint, you could do ombre with it.
Yes, you can do ombre with it. Now, let's move on to this one.
Oh, I want to
This
try
one is the BLK Cosmetics Exfoliating Lip Scrub and Cocoa Crush.
I love their packaging.
Yeah, super cute na yung packaging talaga ng BLK ever since.
It's so aesthetic. So guys, Mom already opened it and it smelled so good.
Amoyin mo! It's bango.
I can't describe it.
Ayan siya. Tapos sabi, it's a lip scrub. So, let's try it on your lips. scrub natin sa lips mo. Okay. Sige, scrub mo. It's a lip scrub, ah.
Tastes good.
Hindi hibagain. Pero parang konti ng laman niya. Kasi ayan o, pinindot ko lang siya. Parang wala nang ano. Parang wala na siya agad laman. What can you say?
My lips are so hydrated. And it feels so good.
Why?
Because the lip scrub exfoliate all the dead skin.
Really?
Yes.
Galing ah. Pwede na mag-makeup review ah. Okay, so ayan. This one, again, is the Exfoliating Lip Scrub. Lalagay ko na lang kung how much siya per piece pag bibili nyo. It smells so good. Yung scrub niya is very tiny. Napaka-tiny. Pero I think better yung BLK nila before na may scrub rin and may lip balm compared to this one. Yan siya. But according to Keisha, it's nice. She likes it.
Yeah. It smells good.
Smells good. Oh, sige.
I've tried the other one, the one that you said, yung parang lip scrub tapos lip
There's a
balm.
lip balm.
Yeah. It doesn't have a scent, but this one has a scent. That's why I like it more.
Oh, Keisha likes this more because of the scent.
Yeah, but I also like the other one.
You also-
I like both.
You like both, okay.
Yeah.
And now, let's proceed with this two. This is the BLK Tinted Balm. So, I've got the two shades. This one is a Very Berry and the other one is Wonder Melon. So, ayan siya. Ito naman ang ita-try natin. Let's try both. Ang cute ng packaging. Yung parang may white pa siya dito. This one again is the Tinted Lip Balm. So, let's try it on your other hand. Ooh! May water!
Is that oil?
Hindi ko alam.
I
Ano
think
ba
it's
yun?
oil.
Oil. Oil siya. Oh, wipe mo.
Daddy's handkerchief. Yeah, so I think you're supposed to shake it first or not?
I don't know. Sinishake ba ito? Hindi. Hindi naman ito na-shake. Wala lang. May oil lang talaga minsan pag sa start. Grabe, super cute ng product. Parang ayoko siya gamitin. Ayoko siyang pindutin.
We're just gonna look at it all day because it's so cute. So this is the final product. You have to press it like the one Mom did. This one. Yeah, so the oil will be mixed with the lip balm. So nice. It's really magenta. Magenta-ish.
Nice, no? This one is in the shade Very Berry. Ooh! Daming oil. Tingnan muna natin siya. Let's press and press para mag-mix muna yung color niya. So, ayun pala yung tip. Ipipress-press mo lang muna siya ng ganyan. Kita nyo ba? Ayan. Press. Oo, ayun na siya. Lumalabas na siya. Para mag-mix yung oil dun sa mismo lip balm. So, this one is in the shade Very Berry.
Oh no, here we go again. So this one is Very Berry, these two.
Parang mas like ko yung color ng Very Berry.
This one.
Yeah.
Both of them. So they're very berry and they're more pink because the watermelon it's kind of darker in it. I like this one more.
Ako din.
So I put very berry on my lips. Yeah, it's so nice and glossy.
So, this is the BLK Wondermelon Collagen plus Vitamin E Makeup Removing Wipe. So, itry natin to. Let's remove yung makeup na nasa kamay ni Keisha.
But if you're gonna use makeup wipes and you're a kid, I think I prefer if you wash your face.
Yes, it's still best to wash your face. Ako talaga, yun din yung nire-recommend ko to almost everyone. Mas okay talaga if i-wash mo yung face mo with your facial wash compared sa gagamit ka ng makeup removing wipes. Itong makeup removing wipes, gamitin mo lang to if wala kang access with clean water. Ayan, or antok ka na, nasa sasakyan ka, kailangan mong tanggalin yung makeup mo. Iyan lang yung mga times na gagamitin nyo itong makeup wipes. And this one, nakalagay, it has collagen plus vitamin E. Removes waterproof mascara. Totoo ba yun? Safe for sensitive eyes and skin and hypoallergenic. By the way, guys, this is made in Korea. I think lahat ng products nila is made in Korea. Annyeong! Opa! Ayan. Oma! And ang bango niya. Amin mo. Makapal din yung wipe niya and hindi siya ganong napupunit agad. Look at that.
Look at the other wipes. Napupunit siya.
Yes. So, ngayon, ita-try natin siya if ma-remove niya agad itong makeup. Ang ganda talaga ng shade na to. Itong feeling peachy. Super nice. Yan.
So soft in the skin.
It's so soft in the skin.
Yeah. The tinted lip and cheek tint.
Yan. So, yung creamy all over paint, na-remove niya talaga. Pero, yung sa lip and cheek stain, meron siyang naiwan na tint. Which is nice. Kasi, ako pag lip and cheek tint, mas gusto ko yung may nag-leave talaga na tint sa lips ko.
So, let's try that.
So, let's try naman with this one. Oh, super easy because it's just a tinted lip balm.
Yeah. So, one wipe.
One wipe, and it's gone. Ayan siya. So, tatry ko to with my mascara, pero babalitaan ko na lang kayo on my IG story or ilalagay ko dito if nag-work nga siya na matanggal niya yung mascara ko. But I'm hearing a lot of good reviews about this makeup wipes, as in ang daming nagre-rave about this one. Kaya mataas talaga yung expectation ko for this product.
So, Mommy, I will intervene you now. Which product did you like the best?
As in one product only?
Maybe your top 3.
My top 3 products.
Second, and first.
From this line, itong BLK Fresh, ang pinaka-gusto ko is this one. The Cocoa Crush Deep Moisture Plus Collagen Ultra Pure Nano Fiber. Ang haba. Biocellular Sheet Mask. Yan. Nakalagay one mask delivers up to a month's worth of serum. Totoo ba yun? Kanina ginamit ko siya. Mukhang hydrated yung skin ko.
Yes.
Yes, ayan. So, this one, ito yung unang-una. Next would be this one. This is the BLK Cosmetics Feeling Peachy Creamy All Over Paint. Itong Creamy All Over Paint nila, isa talaga to sa mga favorite products ko from BLK Cosmetics. Kasi nga, pwede mo siyang gamitin sa eyes, sa cheeks, tsaka sa lips mo. So, parang if there's one product na bibilin mo from them, ito na yung bilin mo. Kasi, parang with one price, magagawa mo na lahat sa eyes, cheeks, and lips mo. So, sulit na siya. It's 3-in-1 na. Okay, so for the last product, diba you asked me for top 3? This one, the BLK Cosmetics Skin Hydrating Ultra Fine Mist. I like it kasi ang bango niya. And, sorry, nakutan kasi ako sa lalagyan. Yun talaga yun. Yung packaging talaga, ang cute. Pwede ko siyang ilagay sa bag ko. Although now, hindi naman ako lumalabas at hindi naman ako gumagamit ng bag. But still, it's cute. Ayan, oh. So, that's it. What about you, Keisha?
I haven't tried the face mask, but I saw you wear them. So, I'm gonna put top 1 in my face masks.
Which one? Both of them?
Can I try this later?
Okay.
Or yung Cocoa Crush na lang.
Okay. Siningera ka talaga, girl.
Cocoa Crush na lang. And then, my second one is... Does the sticker count?
Hindi ka sticker.
So, my second one is this one, the Tinted Balm, Very Berry.
She likes the Very Berry. Mahilig kasi talaga to sa mga lip balm. Kaya yan. Ako kasi, hindi ako mahilig sa lip balm eh.
Pero when your lips are dry, especially when you're gonna go to Korea, don't forget to bring lip balm because the lips will get dry.
Ang ganda. Sa lips mo, ano nilagay natin?
Very Berry.
Yeah, it's super nice on your lips.
It's kind of cooling on my lips.
Cooling?
A little bit.
Really?
Yeah. And my third one is maybe the Feeling Peachy Cream All Over Paint.
Yes, you like it?
Yeah.
Are you allowed to wear makeup?
Sometimes.
Okay.
Okay.
Pero
Mommy,
syempre, why?
Let's try the fridge.
Yeah, yan nga yung sasabihin ko. Ang pinaka-excited talaga ako sa collection na to, yung mini fridge nila. So, let's try it. Ayan.
Should you put it all inside first?
Let's put it on the side na lang muna. Ba't dalawa?
Oh, maybe if you're gonna travel and you need...
Sa car.
Yeah, tapos lalagay mo sa sa car.
Yan. So, i-try natin yung mini fridge if it will work.
Let's put the face mask inside. It should be dry.
Excited to. Gusto niya gamitin yung face mask, kaya siya ganyan. Let's try.
I'm gonna put this inside.
Yan. So, na-plug ko na siya.
So you have to switch the one in AC. And it's actually working!
So, you have to switch it dun sa AC and
sa cold.
Sa cold.
If you want it hot, put it cold.
Ba't ka naman mag-hot, diba? Is it working? Parang hindi naman.
Wait, let's wait. Baka maya-maya. So, diba there's 2 ACs and 2 DCs? So, when you're gonna on it, you have to... When you're gonna use this, it's a DC. So, you're gonna on it to a DC. But if you're gonna use the other one, which is an AC, you're gonna switch it up to the AC.
Okay guys, that's all for our video today. I hope you like kung ano yung mga pinakita namin sa inyo. And I hope you could leave a comment and share this video to your family and friends. So, thank you so much, Tisha, for joining us.
You're welcome.
You wanna join on the next video?
Yes.
Yeah, she wants to be part of the makeup review. So, ayan. So, that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching and see you on the next one. Bye, guys!
So,
Please subscribe to Keisha's channel.
Keisha TV! And follow us on all of our social medias.
Yes, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and TikTok. So, bye, guys!